Okay, mga kababayan, balik ulit tayo sa GLA Mission 2. Ito na po, pakinggan natin. Assalamualaikum wassalam. Everybody loves to play this 0 hours. Come and join the fun.
America and China report several GLA leaders have been killed, resulting in a power vacuum with splinter groups vying for control. This is called wishful thinking. Our sources confirm that the GLA is simply reorganizing to more effectively defeat their enemies. From the field, I am Omar Ben Ghazali.
Alright, you heard it.
This is Rican
So this is it.
I am finishing my patrol. Sector is clear.
So you are now in somewhere near Cairo in Egypt.
Are you
This is
certain,
hidden
Recon
siya.
1?
The buggy
It has reports of
is
troop
scouting.
movements linked to Prince
Nagurubing ko patrol siya.
I am most certain.
Tinitingnan niya kung meron bang karawan, wala.
For hours now. Returning to base after this.
Return the base after this. Oh, what's that? Sabi niya. Oh, patay.
Recon 1, what is your status?
Recon 1, what's your status?
Report.
Report!
General,
Ito po.
this area is being controlled by
Yun ang
princes
gagawin natin. Yung capture natin to o destroy natin yun.
and will not aid us in our cause against the infidels. Assad is a master of stealth, relying on several techniques to surprise and attack his enemies.
Yung mga technique po dyan sa GPS, yung tawag nito GPS scramble,
GPS
nawawala po.
gives him the power to have
Dalawang
many
hampi
strikes
nagrurubing
unseen
patrol sila.
against an enemy.
Okay na po yan, oh. Kitang-kita nyo naman. Laban. I make a top strike.
Tactics offer further tactical advantages.
I make the sacrifice!
Yun. You know, if you play, you see to it, you have fun, okay? Relax,
Must
don't
have
rush
these
yourself.
technologies.
It's the
Because
mission.
in that shell, we will
So you're the
take them
general, you
from
control
him,
everything.
capture his command centers, and turn his own abilities
But
against
capture your
him.
command centers. Kung natin to, kahit na
see what they are up to.
babaraks natin agad, hindi babaraks natin, tapos puntay natin dito, tapos yung supplies SAS nila, lagyan na natin ito, feeder, tapos i-ready na natin dito, isa, kasi kikapture natin yan, maya, kukunin na natin to,
What station?
puntay natin to si General
We get
dito isa,
signal from anywhere.
yun, may mga kalaman,
We get signal from anywhere.
kunin natin ito, yan, so, nandiyan na naman yan, so diretso na dito,
Assad loves to use them.
yun, yan, ganyan lang po yan, yun, lagyan na natin to,
What station you need, General?
what
Keep me
station
out
you
of
need,
sight.
General? Patay natin to,
Section there. Better
yan,
section
come
there.
on, boom,
Let's go where it is safe.
yan lang muna, so lagyan yung number 1, so control 1, bakit control 1, tapos yung flag nyo kung saan nyo lalagay, dito na, pasok nyo muna to,
Must be
yan,
Yan.
yan, yan, pasok nyo dalawa, isa-isa dito, pasok nyo na to,
What do you want with me?
yan, hop, mamaya ka na,
I will obey.
Let us tune
Do
in.
not hurt me.
yan, kuha tayo ng quad cannon, yan, yan ang tunin quad cannon yan, or kukunin yun ng isang ano, motorcycle pala, ito, motor combat, para dito pupunta natin sa oil, yun, yun,
Quad cannon. I do not have patience for this.
yan,
I'm just a peasant.
I'm just a pest,
That is what you want.
yan,
Take a jump.
pupunta nyo dito isa,
A warrior has
Hoy!
fallen.
bakit nang nangyari doon? Eto, lumampas yun ah.
Prepare to fight.
Prepare to
We
fight.
must take what is ours.
Yan, support nyo ito kasi meron yan dito mga mokong. Yan. Para yung oil nyo, support nyo yung oil nyo. Yun.
I'll get there. Begin stitching. Start the machinery.
Yan, support nyo lang muna to. Yan. Pwede nyo upgrade.
A warrior
Gusto
has
nyo.
fallen.
Pwede nyo to, yan.
General,
Yun, sniper. Kita nyo sniper doon.
Assad loves to use them.
Stop them dead in their
Yan.
tracks. Don't push me.
Ingat nyon. Pupunta natin to.
Our
Okay.
courage will be seen by all.
Quad cannon.
Yan, okay. Pwede na kayo magawa ng... Pwede tayo isa pa. Ito pa tayo dalawa. Yan, o tatlo. Yan, hintayin. Nagsusupport lang ito, okay?
Oh, okay, okay.
Pasok
I
natin.
will
Gawa
work.
tayo ng dito ng... Ito, supportahin natin to kasi papunta yung satellite na dito. May mga sniper din dito. Okay, sniper yon. Ito yun dyan, oh. So, pwede natin to
What?
kukunin
I do not have patience
tatlo.
for this.
Yes.
Mamaya na yan.
Quad cannon. Yes, yes.
Yan, kunin nyo muna dito. Wala. Diba? Punta kayo
Okay.
doon.
Let us see what they are
Kunin nyo
up to
si...
and contact the reception there.
Yan.
Don't get on my bad side.
What station you need, General?
Kunin natin doon. Wala.
Keep me out
Dito
of
muna.
sight.
Punta tayo dito.
I'm just a peasant.
Quad cannon. Yes, yes.
Yan.
Your warrior has fallen.
Tapos yan nyo to dito.
Living cannot fit there. Are there not
Yup.
better
Yan.
tools?
Good job.
Don't push me.
So, upgrade kayo
I do
ng
not have
toxic.
patience for this.
Number 1, toxic. Kunin natin to. Dalawa. Ito, bantay siya dito. Bantay siya doon.
Four on the floor. Huh? I'll
Pasok
get
muna to.
there.
Pasok muna. Kasi,
Don't get on my bad side.
fresh up lang. Pasok
Aged to
lang.
perfection.
Yan natin isang...
Cannot we live in peace?
Cannot we live in peace.
I will do the best I can.
Yan ang technique ko po. Yan, ginagawa ninyo. Kuha tayo ng radar pa. Itong radar maganda to.
My
Pasok
tank
mo muna
is
dito.
full.
Hanggang matapos ito. So, ito yung supply dito. Tapos, meron pa rin supply dito. So, kunin nyo dito ang oil. Yan, may sniper. Kailangan natin yan. So, pwede nyo unahin doon.
My
Kung gusto
own
nyo, daan kayo
special
dito.
brew.
Kasi wala naman dito, di ba? Para patayin ito. Yan, malapit na.
A warrior has
Oh,
fallen.
pasok nyo muna. Pasok, pasok kasi may sniper. Yan, kunin nyo to.
Aged to perfection.
Age for protection. Ito si sniper, di ba? Yan. Balik ulit. Lapit na. So, labas nyo na yung tao nyo.
Our work is from...
Pasok nyo dito.
Okay,
Okay na.
I will work.
Pasok nyo muna itong mga worker nyo. Ganin nyo po din si German. Yan.
Quad
Okay
cannon.
na. Huwag na kayo ko dyan. Dito, isa lang. Okay na ito. Kung gusto nyo, pwede nyo lagay din isang
Okay, okay, I will work.
para makalaban siya dito. Sa inyo po, pero ay, hindi na.
What is in there?
What?
Okay.
I'll get there.
So, yan.
Would you like to try some?
Yun, papuntay natin yung
Oh, okay, okay, I will work.
tiray natin to. Yun.
Thank you.
Kuha rin tayo ng tanke. Ito mas maganda to, si Marauder Tank. Okay?
Don't get
Para
on my
magandang
bad
laban.
What's the
1, 2,
job?
3.
I am
Yan.
waiting. I will slip in.
What? I do not have patience for this.
I'm just a peasant.
Yan. Tayo nyo muna dito.
I will obey. You change your
Puntay
mind
mo dito.
often.
Isa ay dito. Oh,
Let us tune in.
Begin stitching.
No one escapes.
Yan, patay natin to.
Steady.
yan.
Yes. This
Bigay ko
hammer
ng
is
tunnel
heavy.
dito.
What?
Pwede natin
Don't push me.
mamaya
Go.
yan.
My own
Kunin.
special brew.
Don't
O
get
pwede
on
nyo
my bad
i-force.
side.
Kung ang control, ganon, control tapos right click para i-force nyo. Pwede nyo kukunin yun. Pero,
Don't
uy,
push me.
A warrior has
uy,
fallen.
yan na.
What? They are brittle. Stop them dead in their tracks.
Well done,
I'll
General.
get
You
there.
have reached
Well
a
done,
higher
General.
grade.
General! Our landing field attack shall reign!
A lot of work.
Quad
Yan.
cannon.
Good job. Yung tank.
Threads
Yan.
tighten. It better be on the floor.
Tapos pasok nyo dito.
What?
I will obey.
Okay na. Pasok muna. Pasok muna.
Don't get on my bad side. They are brittle.
Yan, kaya yan. Kaya ng tatlo dito. Okay na yan.
Our courage
Kunin nyo
will
yung
be
oil
seen
dito.
by all!
Huh? I do not have patience for this. Armor bolted in.
Pasok nyo.
400 floor.
Kaya yan dyan, ang problema. Turin nyo to isa para meron siyang
We get signal from anywhere.
Oh.
What?
pasok muna.
Don't get on my bad side. I do not have patience for
Pasok
this.
muna. Ganun lang yung pasok para mag-revive.
A warrior has fallen.
The higher order shall
Oh.
reign.
Bakit
Our
binitawan?
courage will be seen
Squad
by
cannon.
all.
I'll
Yeah.
get there. Don't push me. Yes, yes.
Kailangan ko ng
No cost is too great.
toxic.
4 on the floor. Huh? I'll get there. What can I say?
What can I say?
What? Yes, yes.
Kailangan ko
The
ng
higher
toxic pala.
order shall reign.
Wala akong toxic dito. So, huwag natin to.
Don't push me. I'll get there.
So, dito tayo kuha tayo ng help ng worker. Okay, yung toxic.
Would you like to
Pasok
try
natin. More baggies muna. Okay, and
We
then
have captured the building.
Armor
gawin natin
bolted
to.
in. Just show me where they are.
Do not hurt me.
Unahin natin muna yung
To perfection. Let's go for a
toxic.
stroll.
Mamaya ka
Cannot
na.
we live in
4 on the
peace?
floor.
Our base
Bago
is
ka muna.
under attack.
Our base is under attack.
Huh?
Okay, kuha tayo ng isang helper.
Is it
Tayo
safe?
doon.
Get on my bad side.
Let us see what they are up to.
Huh?
Yan. Isang helper.
Oh,
Punta
okay,
natin.
okay, I will work.
Tingnan na ito isa. Yun, patay. Balik tayo dito ulit. Tapos pwede na kayo kuha
Cannot
nito.
we live in peace? Does it
Lagyan
have
nyo
to be
dito
so far?
yung-
If that is what
Yan.
you
4
want.
on the floor.
Dito naman kayo mag-attack. Wala dito. Wala. Yun, meron doon.
Would you like to try
Sniper.
some fuel?
Tayo natin yun.
What? I'll get there.
Yun, bumayin natin
Got something for me?
yan.
It better be worth it.
It better be worth it.
Winner takes all. Huh? Don't push me.
Isang worker.
Yes.
Patayin mo na ito. Oh,
What? They will break and shatter.
A
Good.
warrior has fallen.
I do not
patayin
have
natin
patience
ito.
for this. I do not have patience.
Balik, 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 balik ka, balik, balik. Pati ng no,
All
bago.
works.
Pati bago doon.
Let us
Okay.
tune in.
I will obey.
Pasok natin ito isa.
You got something for me? Get to the
Diyan ka lang
goods.
muna.
I'm
So,
just
lagyan
a
natin
peasant.
dito ng
I will do the best I
tunnel.
can.
Huwag nyo na kunin yung worker dito kasi ito mauubos na to eh. Mauubusan na siya. Kaya dalawa lang pwede nyo kunin. Yan.
Quad cannon.
Punta kayo dito. Scan-scan lang kayo dito kung meron pa kalaban.
Get on my bad side.
Pinatay ko na ba dito yung pinatay ko na.
I'll get there.
Yan.
I'll
Tayo
get
dito. Pwede kayo kunin yung motorcycle dalawa. Kailangan ko ulit natin ng tangke. Yan.
Armor bolted in.
Full throttle.
Full throttle! Ayun. Yan. Kunin natin isang
I will
worker
obey.
dito.
I will go.
What?
Full throttle.
Threads tighten.
Do not hurt me.
Fix natin ito muna. Yan. Pasok natin to. Fix natin to. Yan. Kunin natin. Lapit na. Full throttle
Get on my
na.
bad side.
Kaya natin mamaya i-upgrade natin ito kung kailangan natin, okay? God.
Our homes are in peril.
Naroon home are in terror. So, labas natin ito.
Don't push me.
Pasok muna.
Let us tune in. We get signal from anywhere.
Uy, meron laban dito.
4 on
Medyo
the
mga
floor.
nakapasok.
Going.
Pwede nyo upgrade ito kung gusto nyo.
Quad cannon. I'll get there.
Yan, pasok na kayo ulit.
Is it
Pasok na kayo
safe?
lahat.
I'm just a peasant.
A warrior has fallen.
It all works.
Yan. Kuha tayo ng isang... Oh,
What?
ba na? Bubugos ako dito ah. Hindi ko nakikita yun ah.
Going.
Yun, kunin natin, upgrade muna natin to. Upgrade.
I'll get there. Don't push me.
Okay.
Don't push me.
Yan.
They are brittle. Don't push me.
Punta na tayo dito para mabilisan na natin. Okay. Labas na kayo dyan lahat.
Yes. That's a
Pasok
lot of
dito.
supplies.
Dalawang motorcycle punta doon. Ito, support nito. Gawin dito
Going.
support.
I'll puncture the next thing.
Isang worker. Lakad din ng isang worker. Punta niya naman dito.
Are there not better tools?
Clips, let's do it.
Support muna.
Stop them dead in their tracks.
Yes,
A warrior has fallen.
I will go.
Prepare to fight. We will claim it for ourselves.
What? Start the machinery. I do not have
Start with the
patience for this.
machinery. Start with the machinery. Yan. Support muna kayo dyan.
Huh?
Yan. Relax
Yes,
muna.
yes.
Oh, nawala.
I will obey. Does it have to be so far? Can I have some shoes?
Okay,
What?
patuloy natin
I do
dito.
not have patience
Papunta
for this.
dito.
The
I'll
building
get
belongs
there.
to us now.
Tingnan natin kung
Go.
meron si
I do not have patience
sniper.
for this.
Yon,
I do not have
sniper.
patience for this. We have
Patuloy natin
generous
yan.
words
Yan.
of our cannon.
Ito, relax natin
Go.
dito.
Our courage will be seen
Isay
by
natin.
all.
Kuha tayo ng isang motorcycle. Tapos maraming quad pa.
Cannot we live in peace?
Isay natin
I
iso.
will try to
Para
hide.
protection yung oil natin. Full throttle.
Threads tighten.
Pasok.
I will obey.
I will obey.
Full throttle.
Yun.
We are
What can I say?
Kunin natin to para upgrade.
Just show me where they are. Just show
Dito
me
ka
where they
lang.
are.
Kunin natin ito.
higher order shall reign.
A warrior has fallen.
One path to freedom.
Oh yeah! Pasok dito dalawa doon.
Just show me where they are.
Kunin natin upgrade. May pumasok dito.
What?
Machinery underground.
Don't get on my backside.
Don't get on my back
Our way
side.
is
Very good. Okay, sign natin to dalawa.
Threads tighten. Armor is holding
Yan.
you.
Saka isang quad dito.
Going.
Protection. So itong
Do not hurt
pwede na to
me.
dito pupunta
I
dito.
will go. What is in there?
So
What?
unahin
Don't
natin,
push me.
tingnan natin kung may sniper ito.
I
Dito
do
may
not have
sniper
patience
kasi
for
ito eh.
this.
Dito. Yun.
Going. I do
Yan.
not have patience for this. Punch it.
Oh,
I'll get there.
back.
Go.
Dami.
You got something for me?
A
Sayang yan,
warrior has
sayang.
fallen.
Sayang yung star ko. Yan.
Don't get on my bad side.
Yan, tirahin natin to.
I do not have patience for this.
Balik ulit,
Yes,
balik.
yes. Going.
Yan, labas muna tayo ito. Papuntahin natin
What?
doon.
Yes, yes. Four on the floor. Quad cannon. Don't
Puntahin
push
natin
me.
dito kasi hintay pinuntahin ng try natin
Yes,
ito si
Punch it.
sniper.
I do not have patience for
Sniper pa
this.
dito. Wala na yung sniper.
I'll get
So,
there.
about dito.
I'll puncture the next
Okay, wala. So,
I'm
hinahin
just a
natin to.
peasant.
Lagyan natin
I
ng
will do what I must.
Four on the floor.
okay dyan.
Don't push me.
So, pupunta tayo sa kabila naman.
I'll puncture the next Don't push me. I do not have patience
Tingnan natin
for this.
dito kung meron pang sniper. Pati na radar pa. So ngayon, pwede na kayo mag-ipon.
Let's do it.
Pwede na kayo
Do not
gawa
hurt
ng
me.
isang dito natin gawin. Yan.
This hammer is heavy.
Number 2. Yan.
What?
Okay. Oh,
Armor.
alis ka dyan, alis ka dyan.
Quad cannon. Start the machinery.
A warrior has fallen.
Just show me where they are.
Yan. Oh,
I do not have patience for this.
bakit na nakatakas ka dyan?
They are brittle. They will break and shatter. They are brittle.
Our courage will be
warrior
seen
Oh,
by all.
What?
bilis ah.
Yes, yes. Four on the floor.
Quick,
Yan,
ready
yan naman natin
yourself.
to.
What do you want me?
Pwede natin
Prepare to
isang
fight. None shall stand in our path.
equal natin to oil. Diyan ka lang muna.
Eyes at your disposal.
I I'm hungry.
Come here. Kailangan kita
Are
dito.
there not better
Para lagyan natin itong support.
Quad cannon, don't push me.
Patay na to dito.
Go
So
in.
that's good.
Don't get on my bad side.
Actually, pwede na kayo maglaban doon.
Friends, Titan.
Yan.
Just show me where they are.
Yan, okay na. Dalawa. Kailangan ko pa. Yan. So, ready na. So, malapit na. So, prepare ko na yung quad cannon ko.
Quad cannon.
Oh, makakita mo sa dito.
What can I say? Never.
Our courage will be seen by all. The tunnels will protect us.
At tanong to protect us. So, dito ka.
danger may near. Their tools may
Muna.
serve us well.
Punta tayo dito.
Armor bolted in. Just
Punta
show
tayo sa
me where
kabila.
Don't get on my bad side, huh?
Punta tayo sa
I
kabila.
do not have patience for this. What?
What station you need, General?
Punta na marami nito. Mga tao. Mga kapatid.
The building
Yan.
belongs to us now.
Ah, wala na oh.
Yes.
Uy, pasok natin to
I
lahat.
guess I should help out.
Be on watch for the enemy.
So, wala na dito. Kunin natin isang worker dito.
Cannot we live in peace so far? Do not hurt me. I'm hungry.
Do not hurt me.
You change
I'm
your
hungry.
mind.
So, hindi natin kailangan dito.
Quick, ready
Pasok mo na
yourself.
to.
What do you want me? I
Be
will
on watch
obey.
for the enemy.
I-fix natin yung oil natin ito. Isa. Yan. Ito, hindi na natin kailangan. Papunta na kayo dito.
I do not have patience for this.
Do not hurt
Yan.
me.
What?
Puntayin natin dito lahat.
Be on watch for the enemy.
Kukunin
Will not
natin
be
ito.
oppressed.
I'll puncture
Clear them out.
Clear them out. Punta natin
Yes,
dito.
It
Punta
all
natin
works.
dito.
Just
Be
show
on
me
watch
where
for
they
the
are.
enemy.
Ow. Okay,
Pasok
okay.
natin
I
ito.
will work.
Dito ka. So, protection natin ito yung oil.
What do
So,
you
gawin
want?
na natin isa pa. Isa pa, yan.
That building cannot
Para
fit
mabilis
there.
yung ano natin. That building cannot fit there.
This
There you go.
hammer is heavy.
Number 3.
Be on watch. The tunnels will protect us. Safe in there.
Worker.
Armor bolted in.
So now, ready na. Ang ginagawa ko dito muna ilagay ko yung mga
Be on watch for the
scan
enemy.
ko. 1, 2, 3. Kailangan natin yung mamaya. Okay?
Aged to perfection.
Don't get on my bad side.
Yan. Yan,
I'm just a
worker.
peasant.
belongs to
Does
us
it have to be so far?
4 on the floor. I do not have
Re-ready
patience
natin
for
to yan
this.
dito.
I will obey.
Kunin natin yung isang worker dito para si German. Lalis na si German dyan. Natin kailangan si German.
I'm just a peasant.
Pasok na to
Ow.
dito.
Okay, okay. I will work.
Private. Shall I push the button? Push the button.
Push the button. Pagkatapos ito, pwede nyo rin kunin ito marami. Kasi kailangan natin ito
The
mamaya.
higher order shall reign.
Pasok mo muna ito dito.
Friends, Titan.
Be on watch.
Let's see every man.
Squad dito.
I do not have patience for
Okay
this.
na.
I sense danger may be near.
Labas nyo muna to.
Tunnels will protect us.
Pasok dito.
Do not hurt me. You change your mind often.
Kailangan
Cannot we
natin
live in
to.
peace?
Saan
Be on watch
si...
for the enemy.
Nasaan si German? German.
I hear you.
Ayun. I
Be on
hear
watch
you.
for the enemy.
So number 1, kailangan natin to 2, 4, 5, 6. Yan. Meron pa ano, tao.
Shall I push the button?
So let's
Push the
push the
button.
button.
Ow. Okay,
Tago nyo
okay.
muna
I
to
will
mga
work.
tao. Okay.
Be on watch for
Sa
the
isang
enemy.
ano, tago nyo muna to.
Cannot we live in What is in peace? there?
4 on the floor. I'll get
Okay,
there.
puntayin natin
Go.
dito.
What can I
Puntayin
say?
natin dito.
Better be work.
Target natin ito muna. Yan.
Just show me.
Target natin yan.
I am waiting. Warrior has fallen.
Pasok na ito mo doon.
Shall I
Guarding the
push the
GLA
button?
underground.
You got something for me? What we find?
Pasok natin muna dito
Be on
lahat.
watch for the enemy.
Preparing my tools.
Yan natin si German
Vantage
doon.
point. They won't
Unahin natin siya.
I sense danger may be near.
Oh,
Do not destroy the command
do not
center.
destroy.
We
Bakit?
need to capture the structure.
Kailangan natin yan. Oh, oh.
Get on my bad
Itong manayan mo.
dirty machinery. Threads tighten. Get to the foot.
Get to the good.
Shall I push the button?
We need natin yan. Huwag natin i-destroy to. Kasi kung i-destroy natin yan,
I'll be
dito,
sorting
ito,
through your scraps.
i-destroy natin. Kasi kailangan natin yan.
Quick, ready yourself.
So ngayon, kunin natin ito.
The tunnels will protect us.
Pasok tayo doon. Kuha tayo ng co-worker, isang tao.
Oh, okay, okay. I will
Nagtitipid
work.
sa tao.
Shall I push the button?
Let's fight.
Capture natin to.
Their tools may serve us
Armor
well.
bolted in.
Ito, destroy natin yan. Hindi natin kailangan yan.
Armor bolted in.
Yan. Tapos dito kayo. Okay.
Shh, I sense
Pasok
danger
natin
may be
to.
near.
German.
Quick,
Pasok na
ready
doon sa
yourself.
building. Okay.
Guarding the
Yan.
GLA underground.
Quad cannon going.
Kasi meron dito mga mokong darating.
Shh, I sense danger may be
Pasok sa
near.
building.
What do you want with me?
We have
Pasok natin
captured
doon.
the scramble technology. Now we can use Kassad's tricks against him. Now
Anong
that
ginagawa
we
mo?
have GPS scramble, we can move unseen
Pala, oh, mokong.
Kassad's
Buhay
French
pa.
defenses.
Yes.
So, kailangan ko ng more money. So ngayon, ang gawin ko ay truck. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yan, tatlong truck.
I'm just a peasant.
Kailangan ko dito isang...
A warrior has fallen.
Atras ka, atras.
You got something for me?
Standby lang muna kayo. Hayaan nyo na siya.
What can I say? Better be work.
Yan.
No one escapes.
Yan natin dito yan.
Four on the floor.
Dito
I'll
dun.
get there. You got something for me? Better be work. Armor
Diyan muna
bolted in.
kayo. Sa likod lang kayo. Sa
You
likod
got
lang
something
muna.
for me?
The tunnels will protect us. Run for shelter.
Okay,
I'm
kunin natin
hungry.
ito. Isa.
You change your
Punta
mind
natin
often.
dito.
Are there not better tools?
Ngayon,
GLA
GLA. Yan, nakaipon na sila.
I
loaded
am
and
finished
ready.
with the building.
Armor is bolted in.
Pasok nyo ulit dito. Pasok nyo.
Shall I push the button?
A warrior has fallen.
I sense danger may be near.
Oh, okay, okay. I will work.
Yan. Tingnan nyo mamaya. Truck ko. Yun.
I am waiting.
I'm waiting.
Let us
Ito,
see what
kailangan
they are
natin
up to.
dito. Dito yung kailangan.
Keep me out of sight.
Cannot we live in peace?
Yan,
I will
pinaprepare
try
natin
to
yan.
hurry.
Prepare muna natin
What
dito.
do you want with me?
Dito natin prepare natin yan.
I
Para
will do
maganda
the best
naman
I
ang
can.
laban. Diba? Hindi lang yung diretso-diretso na. Simmer, so protection na yung oil ninyo. Naka-protect na. You protect your oil.
Cannot we live in peace?
That's good. So everything, you're getting ready. Yeah. Oh yeah.
You got something for me?
You got something for me?
Better be work.
The tunnels will protect us. We will be safe in there.
Okay, now
Quick, run for shelter.
I'm ready for my bomb truck. Look at that bomb truck.
Sorry,
Building
not tracking
construction.
number.
I-upgrade natin yung biopharm, yung
Farming, high
upgrade,
explosive
tapos
bomb.
disguise natin to. Okay?
Biobomb
Disguise natin.
loaded.
So pag disguise, kunin nyo lang dito
High
ganyan.
explosive bomb loaded.
Yan, disguise nyo dito. Kung may yun, may weapons. Ano yung weapon yung disguise nyo? Ito mas maganda.
What vehicle should we look like? What vehicle should we look like?
Ay, hindi pwede. Ito, wala pa malagay
They
yan.
won't tell the difference.
May tumatawag si Commander. So ngayon, pwede ito na lahat, di ba? So papasok natin
Loaded
to
and ready.
dito. Puntay na. Kung papatay isa. Well, papukunin. Pero pa. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yan.
Land, we will be safe in there.
Oh, okay, okay. I will work.
Ito yung ginagawa ko. Yan.
I have a delivery schedule. Nothing stops me later.
Yan. Dalawa-dalawa lang yan.
And ready.
Yan. Dito.
Warrior has
Oh!
fallen.
Takbohon! Umabog ako dito doon sa kabila. Anyway, pasok ko muna to.
I will send a clear message. Look at my beautiful weapon.
Ito na lang ang gawin ko, mabilis pa. Yan.
Huh? I'll
Tabi
get
niyo lang muna to. Scan na.
Something for the masses.
Got something for the masses.
Shh! I sense danger maybe near. Scud launcher, poised to strike
Yan,
and waiting for
didisplay
this.
natin, mabilis naman to eh.
Not responsible for damage. Arming biobomb for the GLA. Ready. Biobomb loaded. Hitting the gas.
Yan.
A explosive bomb loaded.
Pwede natin gamitin ito yung ano natin.
It is my purpose.
A warrior has fallen.
Look
Pasok
at my
muna kayo.
beautiful weapon without delay. Getting in range.
Alis kayo dyan.
what? Going.
Alis kayo dyan para hindi kayo tatamaan.
A warrior has fallen.
Cycle.
Okay.
I have a delivery. Biobomb.
Yan. Is-disguise natin. Hanapin natin ng isang
A explosive bomb
disguise.
loaded. I'll disguise myself as a vehicle. That's an easy disguise.
That's an easy disguise. Yan. Tapos pasok kayo ulit dito. Ay, labas ko muna itong mga ito. Labas ko muna yung mga SCAD. Kailangan natin muna yung SCAD na. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
Sorry,
Pasok muna
no
ito.
tracking numbers.
Yan. Yan
I'm
natin.
hungry.
GLA Postal Service. Loaded and ready schedule. Here I come.
Oh,
Not
isa na.
responsible for damage.
Cannot
Ano ba
we
to?
live in peace? I do what I am told.
Nakastack
GLA
siya.
Postal Service. Right
Yeah,
on
yeah.
schedule. Let us
Oh,
see.
oh. Huwag kayong destroy dyan.
Let's go. It is safe.
Gamitin natin to yung scramble. Yan. Yun.
Let us
Tapos papunta ninyo dito.
Keep me out of sight. Better reception there.
Puntayin natin dito yung
I have a delivery.
puntayin nyo doon.
What station on schedule? Transport.
A warrior has fallen.
Wala.
Push the button.
Anyway, let's do it.
Huh? I do not have patience for this.
Let's go here.
What can I say? I'm a pain.
Attack na natin. I-attack na natin to mga ito.
Scud launcher, poised to strike.
A warrior has
Ah.
fallen.
You got something for me? Let's see what you find.
Atras ko muna, atras ko muna, atras muna. Hayaan mo muna sila. Yan. Yun.
What can I say? I'm a pain.
Okay, good. Now let's go.
Let's see what we find.
Tirahin natin to.
Devastation on its way. What can I say? I'm a pain. Get to the goods. It better be worth it. Get to the goods. Get to the goods.
A warrior
Better
has
be worth
fallen.
it. Just
Dito
show me
kayo.
where they are. Let's see what we find.
Tirahin na. Boom. Gera na. Yan, i-guard nyo lang yan lahat. I-guard nyo lang
A
lahat
warrior
yan.
has fallen.
Okay, then kukuha ko kayo marami pa. Cut. Trust nyo lang to. Trust nyo lang to. Gamitin natin to.
Poised to strike the Scud.
A warrior has fallen.
Yes, yes.
Puntayin natin dito lahat.
What can I say? Winner takes all.
Yan.
You got
Yun.
something for me? What can I say? It all works. Better be
A warrior has fallen.
Kailangan ng quad.
Armor is bolted in. I'll take a piece of you.
Huh? Don't push me.
What can I say? What?
Yan, papuntayin natin dito lahat.
It all works. What can
A
I say?
warrior has fallen.
Look at
Oh.
my beautiful weapon.
Diyan kayo.
Something for the
Nag-double click ako ya. So, pwede na kayo mapunta doon. Wala na kayo, no? Laban na kayo
No one
doon.
escapes.
Yan.
No spotting position. We'll send them running.
Discuss natin dito.
Something.
Fire in the
moving
hole.
carefully
A warrior has fallen.
Yan.
without delay. Load the Scud. Their tragedy will come.
Four on the floor. I do not have patience for this.
Yun. Oh,
Something for the masses.
kuha kayo ng radar para tingnan natin sa taas kung ano meron.
Quad cannon. What? I'll get
Nabrit niyo si
there.
quad kanan
Do
sa
not have
harap.
patience for this. I'll get there. Going.
Tingnan nyo dito. Yun.
Look at my beautiful weapon.
Unahin ito. Unahin.
Don't push me.
Scud launcher poised to strike. Getting in range.
Yun. Pupuntahin natin.
Armor bolted. Just show them where they are.
Kunin yung motorcycle.
Getting my tools. Something for the masses.
Capture the command center in the river. Okay. Yan. Meron pa dito.
Lurking eyes at your disposal.
Cannot we live in peace?
Tayo
A
dito
warrior
sa...
has fallen.
Better tools?
Preparing my tools. I hear you. Who's next? Preparing my tools. No one escapes.
Tirahin natin to. Ba, meron niya to si German. Nasa si German dyan? Ayun.
Who's next?
The tunnels will protect us. Defend our home. There they are.
Scud launcher poised to strike. Their tragedy will come.
It doesn't get any
A
faster.
warrior
Pasok
has
natin muna
fallen.
dito.
Ready yourself.
Preparing my tools. Look to the challenge. Business is business.
Business is business.
A warrior has fallen.
Over there. Overtaken.
Overtaken.
We have discovered an enemy Jarman camp.
Over there.
No one escapes. Without
Pasok
delay.
Get on my
doon.
bad side.
I hear you. I am waiting.
Ako, ang dami ano ah.
Guarding the GLA underground.
Something for the masses.
Tirahin ito. Yan, pasok nyo. Motorcycle. Capture natin dito.
Do not hurt me.
Punta natin dito isang
That is what we
tunnel.
want. Let's take a jump.
Our cost is too great.
A warrior has fallen.
We must
Kunin
take
natin
it.
Doesn't
dito.
get any faster.
Punta natin dun sa kabila.
Shh. I
The
sense
enemy
danger
danger
very near.
Huh? Don't get on my bad side.
Tignan natin dito. Meron pa. Meron pa dito. Yun.
Cliffs.
No cost is too
Kunin
great.
natin to.
A warrior
We
has
will claim
fallen.
it for ourselves.
Excellent, General. We have secured the sneak attack ability.
Yun,
The
meron na
traitor
tayong
has
tunnel.
fortified himself on this
Tingnan.
hilltop
Let's
and
go.
cut all other means of access.
Got it.
Sneak attack is the only way we have to strike at his main base.
Scud launcher being carefully. Strike.
Ngayon, tingnan natin dito. Tirahin natin to.
What can I say? I'm a taker. Armor bolted in.
The tunnels will protect us.
Puncture the next thing that moves.
Look at my beautiful weapon.
Look at my beautiful weapon.
We'll send them
Pasok,
running.
pasok.
Yes. I will go.
Be careful.
Doesn't
The
go
enemy
so
has built a
fast.
scud storm.
Careful daw, the enemy is built like a Scud storm.
Four on the floor. I do not have patience for this.
So, meron siya dito. Kunin nyo dito. Yan, palas. Tirahin ito.
Our courage will be seen by all.
Kailangan ko ng radar. Yan.
It all works. Get to the goods.
Saan yung radar dito?
Let's see
Para
what we
makita ko.
find.
Yan, dito
Let
radar.
us see
Kailangan
what they
ko.
are up to.
Sikil lang ko lang. Kaya, i-destroy ko na lang yan. Wala
Let us see
problema.
what they are up to.
Paano? So,
Look
unahin
at
nyo
my
yung
beautiful weapon.
lahat ng
Scud
Scud.
launcher
Papunta
poised
nyo
to
dito.
strike just close enough.
What?
Kaya nyo lang to.
Quad cannon. Don't push me. Punch it.
Yan. Kung ito yung radar. Yan. Puntayin natin dito yung isang radar para continue yung laban.
Let's go where
Yan.
it is safe.
Don't get on my
So
bad
ngayon,
side.
meron scat. Nakikita nyo yung scat doon. Yan.
Armor molded. Better be working. Look at my beautiful close enough.
The tunnels will protect us.
Cannon is protected.
Tragedy will
Pasok
come.
natin to
Quad
lahat.
cannon.
Something for
Pasok
the
natin
masses.
lahat. Yan. Ito yung technique ko dito. Tingnan nyo. Yan, tirahin ko muna din.
The scud.
Please, scat. Ito, patayin natin to.
Preparing my tools. New spotting position.
Yan,
Something
scat
for
naman
the
dito din ang
guy's
scat.
range. What can I say? No one escapes. Just close enough.
Yan,
Push the
scat.
scud launcher.
Try natin to,
Destruction on
Scud.
its way.
natin
Something
more,
for the
Scud.
masses.
I'll puncture the next thing that is. Don't
Be
get on my
careful.
bad
The
side.
enemy has built a scud storage.
Just close enough.
Yan, tirahin natin ito, yung palas niya. Pwede wala na.
Masses tune in. The tragedy will come. Positioning for launch cycle.
Yan, nandiyan yung scat pa. Tirahin natin yung scat doon.
Something for the masses. Without delay.
Without delay.
I've
Yan,
been waiting for
tirahin.
this.
I'm just a peasant.
Tirahin natin yun.
Look at my beautiful weapon. Look at my beautiful weapon.
Na okay na yan. Pupunta natin dito lahat. So, ready na kayo. So, pupunta natin yung tunnel dito.
We'll send them running. Just
Meron pang
close
scat.
enough.
Yun, tirahin natin yun. O ito. Pasok na lahat. Yan, pasok na lahat. Wala na papasok. Lahat na papasok na.
A warrior has fallen.
Something for the masses. Just close
Yan.
enough. We'll send them running. Scud launcher. Poised to strike.
Yan, yung paiskat to.
Load the scud.
Take na.
Look at my beautiful weapon. How glorious.
Yung meron dito.
Load the scud. We'll send them
Wala na yung
running.
scat. So,
Moving carefully.
harvest natin lahat.
Load the scud. Push the button.
More. Wala na. So, pasok na.
I hear you. Nothing
Okay.
is planet.
I
Pasok
do
na
not
kayo
have
doon.
patience for this.
Pwede nyo kunin to kung gusto
I will
nyo.
obey.
Lagyan nyo dito.
There's not enough
Yan.
room for that building.
Yan. Pwede nyo
Something for the
kukunin.
masses.
Armor
I
bolted.
sense danger may be near.
Pasok lahat na.
Bury my tools. Anything else?
Sakurin nyo dito. Kung meron pa ba, kaya tirahin nyo.
No one escapes.
Si Q lang. Ang ginagawa ko Q lang.
You got something for
Pasok
me?
nyo lahat dito.
Been completed.
Yan.
I hear you. Anything
Marami
else?
pa. Scat lang. Yun. Tirahin lahat. Ubusin natin lahat. Ito
I
na
am
ito.
waiting. New spotting position.
You got something for me?
A warrior has fallen.
Ubusin natin lahat. Ito, targetin natin. Ubusin natin lahat.
You got something for me?
Ubusin natin dito.
All works.
A warrior has fallen.
I am waiting. I don't
Ubusin
care.
natin.
This won't take long. Not a challenge.
Ubusin yan. O, ubus. Oh,
Get
A
no good.
warrior has
I
fallen.
hear you.
yan. Meron pa. Ubus ng lahi.
Bury my tools. This won't take long.
Pwede nyo lagyan dito kung gusto nyo.
Quad cannon. They are brittle.
No one escapes. This won't take long. Preparing my tools.
Isa pa.
New spotting
Ubusin.
position. No one escapes. I don't care how they are.
Yun.
Next.
Ubus mga kaibigan. So dito naman. Kunin nyo kung gusto nyo ubus. Kunin nyo lahat.
Come. Something
Oh, merong
for
pa isa, oh.
masses. Their tragedy will
Pasok
come.
nyo. Bugong!
Something for
Papunta
the
nyo dito.
masses.
Yan. Busin natin to. Yan, mayroong mga motorcycles.
4 on the floor.
Fire in the
Stop them
hole!
dead in their tracks.
Yan. Meron pa dito. O, meron pa Stinger.
Quad cannon.
Yan.
They are brittle.
Okay, yan. Stinger sight.
What can I say?
Yan.
What is this
Scott.
Getting in range.
Siskat na lang. Siskat na lang kailangan.
Load the Scud.
Load the Scud! Wala na doon. Yun, ang dulo na lang. Yan na lang.
Load the Scud.
Diba? Enjoy and enjoy kayo. Thank you po sa watching. Thank you for watching, guys. Mag-subscribe naman po para tulong natin yung mga mahirap dyan sa Pilipinas. Yan.
We'll
Ayan.
send them running.
I-Q na lang po lahat yan. Tapos i-target na lahat ito. Yan.
No
Q.
one escapes.
Sa-target na. Yan. Q na
Prince
itatarget na.
Kassad is no more.
Yun.
The
Yun
GLA
po.
are once again
Salamat po.
united against
Prince
the
Kassad no more na
enemies.
daw. Salamat. Thank you so much for watching. Right.